Hi guys, today is Emmeline and I need this craft is a fidget spinner. I got this at Hi! That is a big pot. Here are my brothers. And a big puppy. And I'm making a holder for your fidget spinners. Yeah, you can buy these at Town Country. There's blue, green, and red, and white, and all these other colors. So you just roll out this and it's really, really small. Well, straight. Like this. Whoa. And then you go to the end and roll it and keep rolling it. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. And I have it just like this, spirally. And then you're going to take the fidget spinner and just find the middle of the party, and you're just gonna stick it in there, and then you just spin it, and there you go. Instead of just going like this, because it's gonna move, and instead of going like this, putting out your arm, you just set it in a little spot, and just twist it. Now, time to go back. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.